Hello everybody, I'm going to be showing you how to do this textured headband. I'm going to tell you how to do two different sizes. This is the adult size, so is that one, and here's the child size. This is a really nice headband to do because it's nice and stretchy, so you don't need the exact size of the person's head you're making it for. It'll stretch onto it. So, you're going to want an H hook, which is a 5mm, your yarn needle, your scissors, and whatever worsted weight yarn you want. So, for the child size, you do your little slip knot, and you're going to chain 48. For the adult size, you're going to chain 68. So once you have your chain of either 48 or 68 complete, you are going to join it together with a slip stitch, being careful not to twist it. Oops, probably shouldn't do it with the tail. And then our first row is going to be double crochets around. So, chain 2, yarn over through the first chain, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. One more time, yarn over, into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That's your double crochet, so you're going to do one double crochet in each one of your chains all the way around. So we're going to join this with a slip stitch, and we're going to start our next row. So we're going to chain 1 this time, and then we're going to do 2 front post double crochets and then 2 back post double crochets. So we do it like we're going to do a normal double crochet. We yarn over, but then instead of going through the normal spot, we're going to go around the post that we made. So this is the front post. We pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Do that front post again, double crochet. Now we're going to get that back side 2 times. So we go behind the back, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And we'll do the back again, and double crochet, and then we go back to the front, do 2 front posts. So do that all the way around, 2 front posts, 2 back posts, repeating. So once you've finished with your 2 front posts, 2 back posts, you're going to join with the slip stitch, just like always. And we're going to half double crochet around. So we're going to chain 1, yarn over through the first stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, through all 3. So keep doing that half double all the way around. So we're going to join our row of half doubles with a slip stitch. And now we're going to third loop half double crochet. We're going to do 2 rows of this. So we're going to chain 1, yarn over, and then you're going to find that third loop. So this is where we usually go in through those little V's. Third loop is on the other side of those little V's, and it's this little guy right there. That's your third loop. So you insert your hook into the third loop. I hope you saw that. Pull up a loop, yarn over through all 3, and yarn over. This is where we usually go. This is the third loop. Pull up a loop, yarn over through all 3, yarn over. Here's our normal. There is our third loop, half double. So do a row of this, join it with a slip stitch, and then do another row of the third loop half double. So once we finish that second row of the third loop half doubles, join with a slip stitch, and this time we're going to do single crochets in the third loop. So we chain one, don't put the yarn over, insert your hook into the third loop, pull up a loop, yarn over, through two, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, through two. So do that all the way around, third loop single crochets. So I have finished my row of third loop single crochets, and now we're ready to do the puff stitch. Puff stitch is pretty easy. We're going to chain two, and then we're going to skip one. We're going to skip the one that the chain is in. We're going to yarn over, go into that second one, pull up a loop, yarn over, we're going to do a double crochet, so through two, yarn over, through two, and then the puff stitch goes around this post that we just made. Keep this little loose. We're going to yarn over, put it behind that post, pull up a loop, that's one, yarn over, behind the post, pull up a loop, two, yarn over, behind the post, pull up a loop, three, yarn over, behind the post, pull up a loop, four. So when you do this, you will have 9 loops on your hook. And then you yarn over, and you're going to pull through all of those, just like so. So again, we start with a double crochet, so we yarn over, skip one, go into that second one there, pull up a loop, yarn over through two, yarn over through two. And then we do our second one around this post we just made. So yarn over, behind the post, pull up one, yarn over, behind the post, two, yarn over, behind the post, three, yarn over, behind the post, four, yarn over through all the loops you just made. And you just keep doing that. So skip one, do your double crochet and puff stitch around it, and do that all the way around. Once you've completed your row of puff stitches, you're going to join with a slip stitch into that first one. And then we are going to do a row of half double crochets. So chain one, yarn over, insert your hook into the first one, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all three. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, through all three. Just keep doing that half double crochet around. Now that we've finished our row of half double crochets, we're going to do 2 rows of third loop half doubles again. So, oh geez, I didn't even chain one. Holy moly. Chain one, there we go. Yarn over, insert your hook into the third loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, through all three. So do 2 rows of that third loop half double. Once we have those 2 rows of third loop half doubles, we're going to do a row of third loop singles. So chain one, and then we're going to just insert our hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through. So we're going to do that all the way around, third loop single crochets, and we are so close to being done. I hope yours are looking fantastic. I know I'm loving the way that mine's looking. Next we're going to chain 2, and we are going to double crochet around. So yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2. Just keep doing the double crochets around. Alright, last row. This is the 2 front post double crochet, 2 back post double crochet. So we're going to chain 1, yarn over, we're going to go behind the front post, pull up a loop, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2, yarn over through that front post, pull up a loop, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2. Then we go to the 2 back post again, so yarn over, behind the back post, pull up a loop, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2. And again, yarn over, behind the back one, pull up a loop, yarn over through 2, yarn over through 2. So do that around again. So now that we have the 2 front post and 2 back post double crochets done, we are going to join it with the slip stitch and give ourselves a little tail. Cut that yarn, pull it through with our hook. We are done and ready to weave in the ends. You did it! So you're going to put that yarn on your needle, and we're going to weave in the ends. Now with this pattern, you can play around with sizing, but one thing I recommend is start your chain with numbers that are divisible by 4. If you don't, your pattern won't turn out perfect. It'll look really nice still, but if you're trying to sell them versus give them to family and friends, you might want to do numbers divisible by 4. There we go. This one is done. And now we're going to do the other side. I would love it if you guys would subscribe and you watch my weekly videos. And I would also love it if you guys would comment and show me the beautiful works that you've made. I'd love to see them. So hit that subscribe button and comment your beautiful crocheted items. Now let's see how it turned out. Oh, some little girl's gonna love that. Alright, hope you guys like it.